So he has these shades on. But I don't know, cause last time. Oh shit. Yo. Woo. Oh damn. Oh shit. That's very unfortunate. Oh damn. Bro went straight to the seat. Oh, you got a dangerous pet, bro.